For today's melt, completely forget about a saucepan because we're using a waffle iron instead. We're not using any cooking spray, instead we're going to use mayonnaise as an oil. So we're going to coat down both sides of the bread in mayo, and if you don't like mayo, it's okay because it cooks off and you can't taste it. It just makes it a lot more crispy on the outside. So yeah, but put mayonnaise on both sides. After we've got it nice and mayoed up, we're going to put gochujang on there, which is like a spicy red Korean chili paste. It's really good, trust me. Spread it all nice and even. All the spiciness in the gochujang goes really nicely with the mayo. So like I said, if you don't like mayo, it mixes and it neutralizes, so you practically can't even taste it. Here I've just got some leftover shredded chicken that I'm adding on top of the bread. Of course, a piece of cheese. Then the biggest star of the sandwich, the kimchi. Don't be stingy. Add it right onto that waffle iron and act like it's a press. When it's halfway done, we're going to rotate it over like this so that it cooks evenly. When it's all nice and golden, take it off. Don't mind my other sides. And I can tell you in so much seriousness that this is so delicious.